y'all for coming to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for coming. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications so you do not miss out when I post a new video. This video is going to be about Care Credit, y'all. Okay? So, don't let nobody tell you not to get Care Credit just because you're having surgery out of the country. Let's say DR. I'm going to focus on DR because that's where I plan on going. But don't let nobody tell you, oh, you can't use Care Credit in DR. Don't even bother applying for it. Now, you can use Care Credit even though you are having surgery in the DR. And if you don't know what Care Credit is, I'm gonna need y'all to Google that, figure that out. You can use Care Credit for a lot of things to cut out all of the costs. Remember in a couple videos back, and I'll link that video in the description, I talked about the cost of surgery in a DR, and I estimated you'll need at least $10,000, right? So you can look up in your area. I know in Atlanta there's a lot of medical spas, med spas that accept Care Credit. You might want to do the oxygen chamber treatments. You can get some of those here before you even get to DR and use Care Credit. Okay? Some of those med spas do the massages that you'll need post-op. So versus, paying however much to whoever, you can go to the med spa and get your post-op massages using your Care Credit. Also, a lot of your supplies you can get at local medical supply equipment stores. You might need like a referral from your doctor. Oh, also, wait, you might need a referral from your doctor, but a lot of those medical equipment stores, you can go in yourself. You can get your compression socks. You can get fajas. Some of those stores have fajas. So instead of spending all that money on a faja to be shipped to you and the measurements is off, you get measured right there in that medical supply store and pay with your Care Credit card for your fajas. Yes, I bet y'all ain't know that. See, I'm trying. Free game, y'all. Free game. Even if you only get applied or get approved for $1,000 of Care Credit, that's enough to get like most of your medical supplies that you need. Now, a lot of people don't want to have to deal with carrying those medical supplies on the airplane and through the airport. But depending on who you fly with, you can get your bag with just all your medical supplies for free. They will fly for free, and then you'll have your regular carry-on because you're not going to need a lot of clothes. Okay, don't overpack. Also, scar treatment creams. A lot of those creams you can use with your Care Credit card. Once again, those med spas and the medical equipment stores will have scar treatment creams and like a higher grade of it. That way it works more effectively than going to like some little store and getting it at Walmart, whatever. Also, you can use your Care Credit at Walmart, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS. Your post-op medicines that your doctor might prescribe to you, you can get a list from your doctor and say, what medicines do you prescribe usually after surgery? Go to your regular doctor here, get those medicines prescribed here, use your Care Credit card at Walmart, Walgreens to get those medicines to take with you. So that's $150 just the medicine that you don't have to buy in DR because you got it here and you use your Care Credit card. And if you have good credit, your interest rate might be low, so that is helping you with a lot of stress, time, headache, expenses. Bada boom, bada bang. Also, you can get the spirometer. I'm probably saying that wrong, but the one for your lungs, like the lung test to strengthen your lungs. If you're having like a tummy tuck especially, or a smoker, you want to get your lung strength up and you're going to need that. Amazon, you can buy it for like $10. But if you go to that medical supply equipment store and you're getting other stuff, you can add that in there and charge it all to your Care Credit. Now, Walmart, I've seen that they even had lipofoam, ab boards, all of that. They had it online. And they're getting it from the same seller that Amazon is posting on, that Amazon has. That same seller is using Walmart as well. Only thing with Care Credit though, you cannot use it in the online. You have to get it in the store. But you can have a lot of those items shipped to the store. Swipe your Care Credit card. There you go. You got ad board and lipofoam right there. Ready to go for surgery. Walgreens, they have the Manuka honey 16 plus grade, they have that. Some stores don't carry it in the store, so you have to like order it ahead of time and then have it sent to the store, then pay for it with your care credit card. There go that cream that you might buy on Amazon for $50, but you just swipe your care credit card at Walgreens and you now have it. Also, like I said, some things can be ordered through your regular doctor here. If your PCP does not want to prescribe it to you, guess what? Use your OBGYN. Yes, your OBGYN can prescribe stuff for you as well, and it might even look better coming from her. If your doctor is not willing to like kind of help you out with this process, I would look for a different doctor. Maybe someone who's a little bit more open-minded to plastic surgery. And some OB/GYNs are like surgeons, plastic surgeons. Like in the DR, there's a doctor who's an OB/GYN and he's doing tummy tucks and BBLs. There's doctors here that are dermatologists that are doing BBLs. So your dermatologist can prescribe you some of this stuff. Get it and use your care. Right. I wouldn't advise going there on such a short budget. But if you have care credit, you can get a lot of that stuff before you even get there. And you just have money to pay for the surgery part and your labs and your recovery house. You get your little flight for $300. You're cutting that cost almost in half for your surgery. Now, last but not least, vitamin line, recliner chair. Oh, you can also get your iron infusions at those medical spa clinics. They do it. So if you know you have low iron and you go to like your OBGYN, now don't just tell her I need an iron infusion because I want one. No, tell her like you got to give her a legit reason. I feel fatigue, I'm always cold, low energy whenever I have my cycle. Legit reasons now. And you can go to those med spas with your care credit and get iron infusions to help boost your iron. Another thing though, I haven't personally tried these. Now those other tips I told you about, I've tried them, did it myself. Now I know someone who used her care credit in the DR. She said that she told, she called up care credit and told them that her doctor does not accept, they don't take the exact card. They have to take payments with check. And so she got the doctor's assistant to write like a letter like, we're doing this procedure, and we only accept money order or checks. Like, that's it. And care credit sent her a check for the doctor's name, and she had to go to DR like a week early. That way the check would clear and everything before she had surgery. So if your doctor is a doctor that's willing to go that extra step, now that doctor that she went to with that, he is not a popular doctor at all. And I don't know if he does this for everybody and what exactly their situation was, so I'm not going to say his name. But I'm going to try and get some more details from her on that, because I know a lot of people are like, wait, really? And there are women that probably have done that too, and they just, you know, keep it to themselves because, you know, once everybody knows this and they can do this, they're going to be up over there, and then people are going to be trying to find ways to somehow finesse the system and just discredit the whole care credit thing, and doctors really are not going to be open to accepting that type of way. But actually, no, if you're sending a check and you're paying by check, there's no way to like dispute that and get your money back. So maybe that's why the doctor did it like that. Y'all, okay. Well, let me call my doctor. But I hope this helps someone, for real. I hope this helps someone in getting the things that they need for surgery, and you being able to have that care credit option. And if you all have any other questions or stuff that you want to see me make videos about, I will go ahead and do it. Someone suggested that I tell people's stories and experiences, because, you know, a lot of people are not willing to go on camera and discuss things, or they might be ashamed of it, or just work issues. So I don't know if I would do that, but I would kind of be interested. Let me know, because I'll do a video on it, and if it goes well, it goes well. If not, then I kind of wouldn't be interested in it. But if you have some type of story that you want out there, you send me the details and we talk about it. I would think about, putting that information out there because I want everyone to be informed. This is a big deal, and we need to be informed and supporting one another and making it through and living our best life. So go ahead, like and comment this, and take care, y'all. Thank you for watching.